while Supreme Court granted big relief to spiritual leader Sadhguru, cancelling proceedings against his Isha Foundation. Rape convict and self-styled Godman Gurmeet Ram Rahim faced a setback from the top court. First, the Dera Sacha Sauda chief Ram Rahim, who is out on parole, will be investigated in the 2015 Bargari sacrilege cases. Earlier, the Punjab and Haryana High Court had stayed proceedings against him in 3 sacrilegious cases involving the desecration of the Guru Granth Sahib, a holy scripture of the Sikhs. A Supreme Court bench of Justices B.R. Gavai and KV Viswanathan also issued a notice to Ram Rahim inquiring his response within 4 weeks. Ram Rahim is already serving a 20-year-long sentence for rape and is also convicted for murder. But his frequent paroles have drawn the ire of the opposition, especially the latest one, just before the Haryana Assembly elections, which was won by the Bharatiya Janata Party. And the sacrilege case, in which Ram Rahim was safe so far, as High Court had stayed proceedings, took place in the Bargari area of Punjab's Faridkot district, and it involved the disappearance and alleged desecration of the revered Guru Granth Sahib in 2015 and triggered outrage among the Sikh community. Moving on to Sadhguru and Isha Foundation, the Supreme Court cancelled all proceedings against the Isha Foundation over a father's claims that his 2 daughters had been, quote, brainwashed into joining spiritual leader Sadhguru's ashram in Tamil Nadu's Coimbatore and denied their family contact with them. However, a bench led by Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud dismissed the petition which claimed unlawful detention of the 2 women named Geeta and Lata, as they are both adults and living in the ashram of their own will. The order, however, is only for this case, the court said, after acknowledging earlier that the doctor at the ashram was recently charged with child abuse. Earlier, in a counter-petition filed in the same case, Tamil Nadu police said many others who had entered the foundation had been reported missing. The petition also gave details of a POCSO or Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act case against a doctor employed by Isha outreach program. There was also mention of sexual assault complaint filed by a Delhi woman. The alleged incident happened when she was attending a yoga course in the ashram in 2021. On the so-called brainwashed matter, the court observed that Madras High Court, which ordered an inquiry into the habeas corpus petition, after which police raided the ashram, acted in a completely inappropriate manner. The Supreme Court noted that since neither of the daughters was a minor, they were 27 and 24 when they joined the ashram, and that the purpose of a habeas corpus petition was fulfilled by their appearing in the High Court, no further directions were needed from the judicial forum. Proceedings such as this could not be used to, quote, malign people and institutions, unquote. The Chief Justice said in oral remarks on the case, according to legal news website Live Law. Earlier this month, the Supreme Court transferred to itself the case, then heard by the Madras High Court, and halted an order directing the police to investigate the father's allegations.